네. 시작.
Everyone, in this presentation, I would like to share some research progress on my stepper multiplier and compressor tree design, which were introduced previously symposium and third seminar. First, it was mentioned that utilize of activation sparsely, the software function needs to be replaced. The software function was not produce sparse output. However, when we use ReLU function, the variance of output can be very large. So extremely high values can be passed through next layers, and the more model can try to converge. To understand this issue, we need to normalize potential layers. I normalize potential layer with standard deviation and number parameter comma. With this normalization, our successfully converged, and so output activation sparsity can rise in transformers. Currently, on accelerator based on this transformer architecture is being developed using Samsung's 28 nanometer process. This is expected to be world's first ReLU-based transformer accelerator. Additionally, weight bits in potential layer is split at sub-array level, which is more than gate level in DRAM. This sub-array level parallelism can greatly improve DRAM access performance. According to the experimental result shown in the below figures, this separation was performed efficiently, allowing DRAM format to overlap like this, which resulted in 22.3% reduction in access latency. Additionally, by using DRAM simulator with various DRAM architectures, 35% in bank utilization, 19% in bandwidth, and 13% in power efficiency were improved. Therefore, this stepper multiplier provides a significant advantage in AI computations, which is one of the most important aspects in nowadays. On the other hand, in the last seminar, compressor tree designer was introduced. I would like to share some experimental results and explain why this approach is necessary. By the way, compressor tree is an adder tree that uses compressors, and it allows efficient addition of large number of data. These are the synthesis results as some 256 8-bit numbers. Proposed compressor tree shows 19% in reduction in propagation delay and 5% improvement in area efficiency. Therefore, compressor tree could be used when the performing web operation or sending a large number of data for better hardware efficiency and performance. Lastly, I want to say that my compressor tree designer will be open sourced so that it can be used widely. Thanks for listening.